This is the Vehicle OCD from Salix Organizers for the 2015 and newer Cadillac Escalade. And in this kit you get the three pieces shown. Very simple to assemble. The one thing that you want to pay attention to is on the short piece. There's an indicator notch on both of the short pieces. You want those to face the same direction when you assemble it. So simple to assemble, just align the slots and push them down until they bottom out. Same thing on this one, indicator notch going the same direction. Now you've got it assembled, and you'll notice both of them have the indicator notches going the same way. And what we're going to do is take this over to the Escalade and put it in, and these notches will go front and to the bottom so that the angled walls will match the angled walls inside the console.
Now we're in the Cadillac Escalade and we're ready to install the organizer. The organizer is very simple. There's the notches in the front that we talked about. Those notches go forward and down. Just put the assembled organizer all the way to the bottom of the console and it's in and ready to go. We also offer a center console tray, which is sold separately and also fits with or without the grid below it, and simple to install. Put it in, drop it down, it sits on the front and back ledge and doesn't contact the organizer below. These two products are available on Amazon.com. Search Salix Organizers, S-A-L-E-X, and you'll find this product or these products and many more for other cars, trucks, and SUVs.